a quick review of the Terra Volatile Tarot, which I bought recently. I bought an expand edition with 45 cards and the main deck, which has additional suit of vessels, and it's like 100 something cards altogether, plus some alternative cards. That's the weak cards that were there. There we go. And that's the pocket edition, which is rather big. I believe the pocket mean that there are no photos and it's just more combined. So alternative cards, time, hermit, so you can have a quick read of some of the stuff. The devil, you can pause and read. The earth, the temptation, alternative card. And so on. There is some stuff, some spreads. So that's the bonds keywords. So you have for each suit you have like a wee cheat sheet, and then I believe you have the same for the vessels. Yes, that's the additional suit, which is like a eternal enlightenment ether suit. And then extra card, some spreads. Yeah. So that's the, how many pages? It's a lot, 291 pages, but it's the language that is written, it's really easy to read. Like yeah, it seems to be that it's a lot of reading, but you know, it's really easy to read. So okay, so that's the book. That's the box for the main deck. Okay, lottery. Oops. That's the box. You can see a nice linen stock and no gilding. It's quite a big deck because of the additional vessel suit, so I will put that at the end. And as well you have additional 2 cards, and you have a lot of alternative cards. So that's house, and that's Yara's looking a wrong question. So we got that. So we're starting. That's the full. That's another full. That's magician, high priestess, empress, the alternative card for empress, the emperor, the pope, the lovers. In the expansion pack you have like more alternative cards, the chariot, the justice, the hermit. Just try to see if there is any glare maybe in here. I'll do it. Sorry guys. The Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, the Strength, alternative card, the normal card, the Hangman, alternative card for the Hangman, the Death, alternative for the Death, Temperance, the Devil, another card for the Devil, the Tower as well, alternative card, the Star, the Moon, the Labyrinth, the Sun, the Judgment, the Word, alternative card for the Word, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, and you have already in the main deck you got like 3 different cards for Two of Cups you can choose from. So Three of Cups, Four of Cups, the numbers are in here, sometimes it's not so easy to see, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, 4, 5, I believe you have alternative card in the expansion, 6, 7, 8, another 8, yeah, sorry, 8, 7, you have 2 7s, so you have 2 cards you can choose from, the traditional 7 and the alternative 7. 8, 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, Suit of Swords, 2, 3, and already you have 2 cards to choose from, 3 of Swords, the traditional one or the alternative one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King, and now Six of Wands, 8s, 2 of Wands, 3, 4, 5, so you have 2 cards for 5 you can choose from. So more like children play, and that's a bit of a more violent one. 5 of Wands, 6, 7, 8, and you have 2 cards for 8 of Wands. It's like decaying, sort of. 9, 10, Page, Knight, Queen, King. and that's an additional suit of ether. And the same page of vessels, queen or knight, queen and a king. So that was the main deck with all the alternative cards. And now we will look at the expansion one. So it's 45 cards, the expansion. So we have additional cards, like in here we had house, and you ask a wrong question, and we have yes card and no card in the expansion. In the expansion we have alchemist, so magician. I'm not going to tell you each what it is because I'm not familiar with the deck yet, but if I will know, I will tell you. So it's a magician, high priestess, more traditional. That's hard to say, really. Authority, dogma. The crossroad. Determination, that probably chariot. The truth, justice. Soul searching. Time, Fortuna, Misery Collector, Art, that's Temperance, what I remember, Torment, Dream. Oh, you have the numbers in here, so I believe you should be able to tell which one is it. Poetry. I have you until for the word. Three of Cups, alternative card. Six of Cups, more traditional one. Nine of Cups, I like this one more than the original. Princess, Knight. So I believe you have for each suit you have Princess and Knight alternative cards. I like this one very much. That's the alternative for Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, again Princess of Coins, Knight of Coins, Four of Swords, more traditional I will say, or maybe not. Five of Swords. So that look like Seven of Swords, Princess of Swords, Knight of Swords, Two of Wands, we have wands in here, Four of Wands, more traditional, Seven of Wands, Nine of Wands, and again page. So now it's page, so probably in the normal deck was the princess. Page, prince, okay, they are all alternative. So page, princess, knight, Five of Vessels, Nine of Vessels, traditional suit, Princess of Vessels. So it's a lot of cards. So basically you can make your own deck from it. I thought I will keep as many cards as I can, even like if they are doubled, because I like them, some of them, but the box unfortunately will accommodate only like 108 cards, I believe. So, and we have like 150, 160 cards altogether with the expansion. So yeah, I will go and choose. Probably I will remove the vessel suit because I'm not familiar with it yet, at least. And we'll try to add like those cards. Maybe keep them in the deck, try to keep them in the deck, but we will see. The guidebook is really good, as I said. I already had a read, like to check a few descriptions for a few cards, and I really enjoyed the read of it. So okay, thank you so much. Bye.